Welcome to SPEC Toolbox. In this video, you will see how to find the right calculator, create a new project, and collaborate with your team. After logging in, use the left sidebar to access previously saved projects and calculators. From here, you can access recently opened and shared design. Enterprise users can also see the company projects here. Below Calculator Access, enterprise users can configure and modify new grades, materials, and new suppliers, as well as national annex for Euro region. Once set up, the saved configuration will be available to anyone within the organization. To start a new calculation, use the main menu. You can apply filters to narrow the calculator catalog. Filter by product to show calculators that use a selected material or product, or by supplier to see calculators where all suppliers' products are available. The main menu automatically loads with your preferred region and language, which can be changed in the profile settings. Pro and enterprise users can also switch between regions within the region filter on the front page. Select a calculator to start and then choose between new or existing projects. If you're starting a new project, select Create a new project and enter the project information. Enterprise users can create a personal project or add it to the company level. Within the calculator level, use the top right toolbar to change the main settings. You can change region, units, save and print calculator through these options. For printing the calculator, choose between a detailed or a summary PDF report. Once finished with the calculation, you can save your design, print it and easily return to the project level. At the project level, all calculations are visible here. You can use options for inviting colleagues, starting conversation and placing notes at the project or group level, and assigning tasks to streamline the workflow. For managing calculators, use Add Calculator to continue with a new design or Add Group to organize your project. To print the entire project, use the Print on this menu and select which calculations to include. Thank you for using SPEC Toolbox.